Hey JV, this is Mosh Bari. Welcome to Epic launch happening on 7th March 2021. Let's talk about two things straightforward: how your customers make money and how you can make money. Start with how your customers make money. One of the easiest ways our customers can make money is by creating and selling online courses. A lot of us, if not all of us, came from creating and selling online courses. And the good news is, it's not only one platform. There are hundreds of platforms out there where customers can sell their courses. And the better news is, online courses don't have to be complicated. They can be simple like this. Let me share my screen with you. We are on Udemy. Look at this course, how simple it is. The ultimate Gmail productivity system for business. 15,347 students. Next one. Double your Gmail productivity in just over 1 hour, 1,174 students. Another one, Gmail Complete Course 2020 version has 6,115 students. If you go to Skillshare, you'll find similar courses, Gmail, YouTube, and even easier topics like how to use Gmail to maximize your productivity. It has 682 students. Another one, how to set up your business Gmail or G Suite account, 231 students. There are tons and tons of examples of how easy course topics can be. Even if we want to help our customers with affiliate marketing, we must give them the tools and techniques to build buyers list. And one of the easiest ways our customers can build buyers list is by selling online courses. The same thing we have done in the past and we are doing right now. So we asked our customers what do they want to create their first profitable online course. Their answers were simple and very specific. They want a simple software, they want done-for-you contents, and they want done-for-you course research. This is where Epic comes in. In Epic, we are providing with an easy-peasy cloud-based software to create their course modules. And we are providing tons of research materials completely done for you and tons of done-for-you contents and simple step-by-step training where they can all do the same themselves. So I believe Epic will be one of the best products to help our customers launch their first profitable online course. Somewhere on the JV page you will find the demo of the software. If you want access, we will give you through the JV doc. Email swipes, sales page preview, every other elements are all on the JV page. There are multiple cash contest prizes and reciprocation is guaranteed for the top JVs. And if we have business together in the past, then you already know I reciprocate top JVs hard and get results. So anything else you need for an awesome promo, just let me know and I will hook you up. Epic is launching on 7th March 2021. See you on the leaderboards.